Hello everyone. Today we came here to share new courses, and these courses are only for civil engineering students. If you people are not belongs to civil engineering department, you can share to your friends who are in the civil engineering department. And today onwards we are also planning to make videos, course videos of every branch. Firstly, we are doing for civil engineering students, and later on we'll do for mechanical, computer science and electrical students. I am a civil engineering student in one of the prestigious university, that is Indian Institute of Information Technology, located in Idipulpaya, Kadapa. So today we told to many people about this online free courses belongs to civil engineering department, and we know all you people are waiting for this. Actually, before going to start this video, I'll tell you a thing. These courses has no time limit to get enrolled, and these also doesn't provide any certifications, but we procure knowledge, and this will happen for sure. We are also taking these online courses in this lockdown time, and we are getting more knowledge, and these are 100% free. This is fact. So the only thing you all people need to do is to like our channel, share to your maximum friends, and we need more circle. If you have known any civil student, share them too and introduce our channel. We'll make videos on every educational stream once we get them. If you need to know more educational, more courses, comment for us. We'll get to know about those things. And the courses we make are 100% free. If you check our previous videos, you could able to see them all. These online courses are from various educational websites, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe immediately and share to new friends. I am again telling this. See, these civil engineering free online courses makes you to learn something new. If you have really chosen the civil engineering stream as your career, don't miss this video. Share to your civil friends and give your support to learn something new. So let's see the courses now. Here we go. The first course is Basic Autodesk Revit Modeling. We can develop basic Revit modeling using LOD 200. We can see that the duration of the video is only 3 hours 16 minutes. 5,000 plus students had enrolled to this. You can enroll now just by clicking on the enroll now box. We can see that what we'll learn in this course. So we can browse and utilize Revit tools to model generation. We can know about BIM's existing scope, uses and services. We can know the model architecture elements and structural elements. We can also know that coordinate models with shared locations and phases. And coming to the course content, we can see that the course is of 4 sections which are having 39 lectures in only 3 hours 16 minutes. So the first one is BIM Basic, second one is Starting on Revit, third one is Modeling Architecture, and the last one is Modeling Structure. You can complete this course if you are interested in learning the Revit modeling. And the second course is Introduction of Tekla Structures. We can see the basics of modeling with Tekla in this course. 3,900 plus students had enrolled already. It is just 1 hour 31 minutes of on-demand video. It is created by ZEDCOM Institute. We can see the enroll option now. If you are really interested, go to the enroll now option. So before that, we'll see what we'll learn in this course. We'll get to know how to get Tekla totally free for academic purposes, how to download resources as templates for the project, the Tekla interface, commands, basic tools, snaps, reference models, and the basic modeling of concrete elements, the basic modeling of steel elements, and the final one is introduction to the detail of reinforcing steel and metal connections. So coming to the course content, we can see the description, requirements, and the course content modules, which are having 6 sections in and 20 lectures. We can complete in 1 hour 31 minutes. So you can see the modules of this course. The first one is before starting with Tekla. Tekla Structures Graphical Interface, starting a point project with Tekla. And fourth one is basic modeling of concrete elements. Fifth one is basic modeling of steel elements. And the final one is introduction to structural detailing with Tekla. And the third course is BIM for infrastructure mega projects. We can learn with real mega projects such as midfield terminal building of Abu Dhabi Airport. You can see that 5,400 plus students had enrolled to this course, and it is just of 1 hour 46 minutes. It is free now, so enroll now to this course. And we can also see that what we'll learn in this course. Those are advantages of working with building information modeling and BIM in infrastructures. We can also see the requirements descriptions in the course content. We can see that course content is having only 4 sections, which are 9 lectures. We can exactly complete in 1 hour 46 minutes. We can know education and knowledge, BIM for fabrication, BIM benefits, BIM case study. And if you are interested to learn this course, go to the enroll now option and do that. And the fourth course is Revit MEP 2020 basics. We can learn all the basics in this course. Belongs to Revit MEP. 1,800 plus students had already enrolled to this course. So be the one in the enrolled students. It is just 2 hour 28 minutes of video and it is free. We can see the course content, description, requirements. The course content is having only one section, which are 14 lectures. So those are what is BIM, overview of Revit MEP, introduction to Revit MEP 2020, file format, what is what on Revit screen, BIM dimensions, Revit software installation, new projects in Revit, creating template file part 1, part 2, linking project, adding levels and monitor architectural level, VG and view templates. You can clearly see all the course content lectures, so don't miss this opportunity. Do the enroll part. The fifth course is the most important course for all the civil engineering students, that is AutoCAD 2D and 3D practice drawings. It is a collection of AutoCAD practice drawings and projects. Already 89,000 plus students enrolled to this course. It is just 5 hours 52 minutes. So go to the enroll now option, because everyone need this AutoCAD course. So we can see the learning parts. We can make 2D and 3D engineering drawings. We can be familiarized with application of AutoCAD tools. We can learn about advanced 3D modeling tools. So coming to the course content, we can see that introduction to course, AutoCAD. So 2D practice drawing, 3D practice drawings, advanced 3D practice drawings, 2D project, making a floor plan in AutoCAD, and the 3D project is making a Coke bottle, and we'll get the final notes at last. So don't miss this opportunity. We all know the value of this AutoCAD course. So it is free now. So go to the enroll now option. And the final course is structural frame design and weldments using Solid Edge 3D CAD. We can design rigid frame structures for machinery and process equipment. Xero, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, AutoCAD, Blender. 5,300 plus students had enrolled to this course, and it is 3 hour 45 minutes. It is free now. So go to the enroll option. So before going to see that, see the course content, which are having requirements, description, and course content is having only 2 sections, 55 lectures. We can complete in 3 hour 45 minutes. So you can see that getting started, what you need to know, and class content. In this class content, you'll have 54 lectures. So don't miss all the lectures. Improve your knowledge and go to the enroll now option. And we are very happy to share these 6 important courses for civil engineering students. I think this will help a lot, and it can improve your knowledge if you have chosen the civil engineering stream as your career. So without delaying a second, go to our description and click on the links to enroll now. If you like this video, again put a like for us, share to your maximum friends. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel immediately and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you, yours Hejiko Career.